Okay, so I want to show you each of these little DSalyers. These are all her notions, and I bought a bunch so that everybody could benefit, and let me go through them with you. So there's a zipper, and this is a beige zipper. It's 21-inch separating zipper. Then we have a black 25-inch separating zipper. All the prices are on the website. We've got a cord stop, and then also the little, it's called I don't know what it's called, but it's what's at the bottom. They're a set, they go together. And then we have the gold, and we have the antique brass. So again, they're the edge that goes together as well, and they're coordinating. And then we have these toggle buttons, which are incredible. They're wonderful. And then this is really cool. These are scarf clips, but they're fabric covered. So we've got them in black, and we've got them in brown. They come with a little protective coating over them, and you just take that off. And then we have thread, and we've got a really light color, kind of a cream, and we've got a black, and then we've got like a taupe. Good, just really good basic colors. We've got a 3/4 inch roll of elastic. Again, these are all amazing prices, you guys. And then we have a hook and eye. We have Velcro, and you get a roll of, you get one roll of each, and these are sew-in. You could always glue the back, but these are sew-in. And we're just going to give these to you super duper prices because Donna wanted us to. Okay, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.